Welcome to Cashflow Lab, the place where smart money moves turn into long-term freedom. People often think a budget is a punishment, a list of everything you can't buy. That belief is exactly why so many people give up. In this video, I show you the hidden reason most budgets fail and how you can finally create a plan that works, lets you enjoy life, and still builds wealth. Most people don't actually budget, they track spending after the fact, adding up receipts at the end of the month and hoping the numbers somehow look good. That isn't a plan, it's a post-mortem. By the time you review those expenses, the money has already vanished. Then comes the advice to slash random costs, skip your latte, cancel Netflix, live on rice and beans. It feels restrictive, unrealistic, and stressful. You might force yourself through a few weeks, but one unexpected dinner or birthday gift blows the plan apart and you quit. The problem isn't you, it's the method. A budget isn't about deprivation, it's a freedom map. Think about a road trip. You wouldn't just start driving and hope to end up at your destination. You'd map your route and decide where to stop along the way. Your money needs the same guidance. A budget is simply telling each dollar where to go before you spend it, so you stay in control instead of reacting to every impulse. Here's the game changer. Assign every single dollar a job before you spend it. This method, called zero-based budgeting, starts with your monthly income and gives each dollar a specific purpose: rent, savings, groceries, debt, fund money until the plan totals exactly zero. Zero doesn't mean your bank account is empty. It means every dollar is already working for you. Begin by calculating your real take-home pay after taxes and deductions. If your income varies, look at the past 6 months and plan for the lowest amount to stay safe. Knowing this floor protects you from planning with money that might not arrive. Now pause for a moment and really look at that number. This is the foundation of your entire financial life for the month ahead. When you understand it clearly, you've already won half the battle. Next, write down all essential bills: housing, utilities, insurance, transportation, and minimum debt payments. These are the costs you must cover no matter what. Collect actual figures, not guesses, pull statements, and check due dates. Many people discover hidden leaks here: forgotten subscriptions, unused gym memberships, or inflated phone plans. Spotting these is like giving yourself a raise without working an extra hour. Before thinking about restaurants or entertainment, decide how much will go towards savings, investments, or an emergency fund. Treat your future self as the most important bill you have. Automate transfers the day your paycheck lands so it happens before you even notice the money. This single habit builds wealth quietly and consistently. Consider this: if you save 10% of a $2,500 monthly income, that's $250 every month, $3,000 a year. Invested with average market returns, that grows dramatically over a decade. Automation makes it effortless. Now it's time to design how you actually live. Allocate money for groceries, hobbies, date nights, travel, anything that makes life enjoyable. Because each category has a fixed amount, you can spend freely and guilt-free inside those limits. This is the part most people miss. A budget isn't about spending as little as possible, it's about spending on purpose. Let's say after essentials and savings you have $500 left. You might give $250 to groceries, $150 to entertainment, and $100 for small treats or a weekend getaway. Every dollar has a destination you chose. Big annual expenses, insurance premiums, holiday gifts, car repairs can wreck a plan if you don't prepare. Create sinking funds, mini savings buckets for each big expense. Set aside a small amount each month, maybe $50 for car maintenance, so when the bill arrives, the cash is waiting, no panic, no credit card debt. A budget is a living document. Spend 5 minutes once a week to compare your actual spending with the plan. If you overspent on dining out, shift a bit from another category. These micro adjustments keep you in control and prevent end-of-month surprises. Think of budgeting like building muscle. At first it feels awkward, but consistency turns it into a reflex. Soon you'll stop asking, "Can I afford this?" and start asking, "Does this fit the plan I created for my money?" That mindset puts you firmly in the driver's seat. Imagine you bring home $2,500 this month. Essentials total $1,400, savings and investments get $400, an extra $200 a tax debt. That leaves $500. You assigned $150 for groceries, $150 for fun, and $100 for a just-in-case cushion. Notice how you still enjoy life while steadily building security. You don't need fancy tech, but the right tools help. Apps like YNAB, Mint, or a simple Google Sheet can track spending and send alerts when you approach limits. Choose the one you'll actually use because consistency beats complexity every time. When every dollar has a job, stress fades. Arguments about money with your partner become rare. You build an emergency fund faster than you imagined. Opportunities to invest or start a side hustle appear because you know exactly what you can afford. This is how ordinary people create extraordinary financial freedom. If today's strategy opened your eyes, hit like and subscribe to Cashflow Lab for more ways to grow your wealth and simplify your money life. And when you're ready for the next step, watch our video on building a powerful emergency fund, the perfect partner to your new budget.